chalky. But I'm going to get a brush and a stick to see what kind of colours and mark we can make with that. Let me just wash my hands.
Lovely.
I've also got some chalk. So this is Cat Downs chalk. Again, you know, you can grind it into a paste. You can draw with the chalk as a piece on its own. And I've used it here as a kind of snail shape that I've worked on, just to see, what holds. But I can add some water with a pipette, little at a time, and then again you're creating a very basic paint.
Stunning.
It's lovely. Get a stick.
Very natural.
It is very natural.
So if you're interested in doing this, guys, then come along to the event today in Court Farm in Kent. We're running 10 till 2 drop-in sessions. We've got these beautiful postcards that you can create. Oh wow, look at that. That's stunning.
It's a beautiful quality to it, isn't it?
It really is. Look at the texture.
And you'll get some of it sitting on the surface and will sort of blow away, but you will get a residue.
I like that though, it's very textured, isn't it?
You get some quite fine lines with the sticks. Sticks are absolutely brilliant for drawing with because they are not regular like pens, they have their own character. And I'll just let's have a go with the mud. So I could try the mud on the dark postcard, see what shows up. Ooh.
Ooh.
And then we've got the blank cards.
Just create textured pieces.
Also the quality of the line you can get. And I don't know what you would, if you painted on that, see that's a little leaf shape, isn't it, coming? If you painted on that with the chalk. Oh, look at that!
Oh, that's beautiful.
So there's lots to do with these things, even just the very, very pale colours.
That's perfect, beautiful. So we're here today, guys. We've got a whole load of people that have already set out on their walks, taking in the landscape. So if you're free today, come on down. Court Farm in Kent. It's all signposted out on the roads. We can't wait to see you.